Well, good morning, class. Welcome to the first day of the semester. So great to have all of you in class, and I really look forward to working with you this semester. My name is Justin Lacey, and I will be your instructor for this semester. Welcome to LHR 202, Section 1, Understanding Employee Behavior. So, again, I know each of you have a myriad of different reasons for taking this class, but again, I want to thank you, and I think you'll really enjoy this class, and I hope we have a great semester together. So, again, my name is Justin Lacey. Feel free to call me Justin. You don't have to, whenever you email me or, message me or whatever, you don't have to say Dr. Lacey or Professor Lacey. You can if you want, but again, I'm pretty informal, so Justin will do just fine. So again, you'll usually see me responding to you by your first name, so feel free to do the same with me. So again, this is my third or fourth semester teaching this specific class for Penn State, and again, I just love teaching this class because again, it's kind of what I do on a daily basis. But again, as you can probably imagine, I am not located in Pennsylvania itself. My full-time job is I'm the Director of Institutional Equity and Diversity at St. Louis University in St. Louis, Missouri. So again, I'm not physically located in Pennsylvania, so I'm in Missouri itself. But again, I'm always available via email. If you email me, I do my best to try to respond within 24 hours. If you email me on the weekend, it may be 48 hours. But again, if I see your email, I will respond the moment that I receive it. So I don't want you having to wait for things like that. So. As you'll see, if you go onto the course page and click on modules, you'll see the entire class already laid out. And again, I've opened everything up, so you are allowed to work ahead if you want. Again, I would recommend trying to stay, whatever topic we're discussing that week, try to stay with us as best you can. If you get too far ahead, then it starts to not make sense because, again, there's a lot of stuff that we cover before. So you're welcome to work ahead, but I encourage you to try to work no more than 1 week ahead so you can stay current on what we do. So there is no textbook for this class, as you've probably seen. Everything that you will need is provided in the modules themselves and then the library resources. So anything that you need, anything that I ask you to read or watch or anything is all located within Canvas itself. So you don't have to go out and buy anything extra, which is really nice. You can try to make it as easy as possible. So whenever you submit an assignment as far as grades go, I do try to grade it with, most assignments are going to be due on Monday. I try to have your grades done by Wednesday or Thursday that week. If it's going to be longer than Thursday, I will let you know, but as best I can, I try to get your grades back to you by Wednesday or Thursday. That way you're not wondering what's going on and you always kind of know where you stand in the class. So if at any point, I understand that life happens. We get sick. Family stuff comes up, work stuff comes up. I totally understand that. So if by chance, you miss a due date for an assignment, send me an email and let me know. And I'm sure you and I can work out something so that you don't lose points. Again, I want everybody to do really well in this class. I would love it if everybody got an A. That'd be great for me, as far as I'm concerned. But, to let me help you with that. So if you do fall behind, in any of your assignments, send me an email and let me know, what's going on, and you and I can work something out so we can get you caught up. So I'm always happy to do that. So please let me know if that's something that you need. As far as assignments go, if you start to see some of the assignments, most assignments that we do in this class are going to have 2 due dates. The first one is usually going to be due Saturday, usually by 2 or 3 in the afternoon, and then and a lot of times that'll be for your initial post or for something that we're working on, and then a lot of times I ask you to respond to a classmate, especially in the discussion boards. So that will be due usually on Monday at noon, and these are all Eastern time. So make sure with each assignment you read what the due dates are, because again, a lot of assignments there are 2 due dates, so make sure that you don't miss both of them, because a lot of times especially with discussion board assignments, there's multiple steps that you need to do in the discussion board. And then for any essays that we do, again, I list the details there. So if you have any questions about due dates or anything, please let me know, because again, the due dates are firmly established, but I can be flexible depending on if you have something unique going on in your life. Just let me know and we can work something out. So. Well, that's again kind of a summary of the semester. Again, for the first module, each week is basically one module. For this week, it's basically an introduction to organizational behavior in the class. A little bit of understanding employee behavior. The discussion this week is kind of an introductory discussion. Where you'll tell us a little bit about yourself. There's a little bit of an icebreaker. And again, try to put as much detail in it as possible, because the more detail you write throughout the semester, the better you will do. And again, I will try to offer feedback as best as I can throughout the semester. I don't do this every week, but every couple of weeks I will do whenever you submit an assignment, instead of just responding how you did it, in the little box that comes with it, I will do a short video and give you a video feedback so you know exactly how you're doing. So again, I try to do that periodically, just to keep it fresh and to help you, know that I do read every word that you write. And again, I want you to be successful, so be on the lookout for those throughout the semester. So, but again, welcome to class. I'm so excited to have each one of you. I think it's going to be a great fall semester. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks, everyone.